From when I sent Max, first of all, to Welsh school, I was a little bit nervous, but everything that I read that was positive just sort of outweighed the negatives, if you like. There's a lot of resources online, you get a lot of help from the school.
Schools are brilliant. Everything that comes home, especially from the primary school, is bilingual, so you get the Welsh and then you get the English as well. So you're never really stuck.
And the teachers are happy to converse in both languages, so parents' evenings, school reports, all those important things are done in both languages.
Because we met with the head teacher of the primary school last week, and that was really useful to run through our concerns with the head teacher there.
We went to the open day, we were really reassured about the support.
They were just so supportive.
The schools, the nurseries, they completely understand that not both parents are always Welsh speakers.
And I think the head teacher said to me once, like 95% of the kids that go to Welsh school are from English-speaking families anyway, so we're never alone in that respect.
I've never had a problem with helping them.
It's not an issue that we're not fluent Welsh speakers at home.
So that makes it obviously really so much easier for me to be engaged with their education and be able to support them.
I think I'd encourage parents to get involved with other parents, to share experiences.
And it's been great to talk to other parents locally.
It's there where we realised that we were not alone. And that was so comforting to know, oh, we're not in this alone.
There will be support available from the school and other networks that you can take advantage of. And I think if you share your experiences with other parents, whether it be parents who are able to speak Welsh, who are learning, or are not able to speak Welsh, I think you'll find a good community of people who may be able to support you as a parent whilst you're supporting your children.
One of my concerns was that the English language would fall behind if they were speaking in Welsh at school. The school were brilliant in just talking us through what that process is and yeah, like I said, just alleviating some of our issues that we had.
Sending your child to a Welsh-medium school doesn't mean that they'll never speak English.
Welsh is something beyond the classroom. It's something that you can do and you can live your life through the medium of Welsh and bilingually. The first step, I would say, is to try and find those opportunities through asking the questions, and I think that will help you then to encourage and to support your child through the Welsh medium education.